Hello. Yes, now my mic is working. How are we doing, YouTube? Uh, just Trippy Trader. Haven't made a video since last week. Sorry for, not like many people watch it, but sorry for not making a video. I've been moving, going through jobs. I'm in Charleston, South Carolina now. Moved from Morgantown, West Virginia to Charleston, South Carolina. So that's why I haven't made a job, or made a video. Just been, was working at a dealership up there, but now I'm going to work at a dealership down here, selling cars. Just been moving, taking care of things, been busy, haven't had time to make a video. I've been feeling like shit since I haven't been making a video. Been out of routine for about 2 weeks now. Finally ready to get back into the routine. Hey Jasper, I'm not talking to you. But anyways, yeah, let's get into the market recap. Uh, I've been watching the market. I've been watching the market. Uh, haven't really made any trades since I haven't been able to sit down just to trade recently. But market really hasn't done much. Still in that 2,900 price range. It's really battling that price range. It's not really it's went up. It went past 3,000. Like was it last week or the week before? But it's pulled back down. Still in that range that we've been running into. So looking for top and bottoms. Today. What is today? Let's see. Where did she open? Let's see. She opened right there. See where she closed yesterday. Uh, I would say today's been a downtrend day, honestly. Since 7 o'clock, it's been running down, trading down below the moving average in the market. Uh, really, I don't know. I think it opened higher. Yeah, no, it opened lower. Yeah, today's been a downtrend. I'd mostly say, been mostly sellers controlling this market. Uh, some more short opportunities, some buying opportunities. Didn't make any trades today. Did some looking around for like an hour. Uh, I'm only going to make simulated trades for the next week until I get back into routine because I'm not going to make a real money trade if I've been out of routine for 2 weeks. Market, you got to be 100% with it. So I'm going to get back in routine, get more comfortable with things again. I know it's only been 2 weeks, but 2 weeks is a lot when you take a break from the stock market, in my opinion. A lot can happen in 2 weeks. You can forget a lot. Uh, Got to rewrite my strategy out, just keep refreshing myself, get everything updated, get back to normal. It feels like I haven't been trading for a year, but I'm so glad to be back. But yeah, today, downtrend, we opened up here around 3,000. We tried breaking this level yesterday and today, but we failed both times. Uh, I normally only trade from 9:30 till 11:30, so I'll probably only do a recap until then today. Might go until like 12 or something. But 7 o'clock opened, tried hitting 3,000, failed. We run down here. Uh, didn't really have much trend going on at this point. I mean, we had a little bit, but we didn't really get any trend formations until this market open. I'm going to make some lines actually. Uh, Copy. Oops. Let me paste it. Yeah, I guess we got some channels running in through here. Gotta make it a little bit longer. Honestly, you don't even need trend lines. I mean, if you just look at the market every day, you really don't need to make trend lines. Everything's fine. You can just look at it and tell what the range of the channels that you're in. It helps though when pricing those exact trades. But we go up here 3,000. We run down here. Sellers right away kind of take control of the market right off the open. As you can tell through here, we got some consolidation up here. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks, so stick with me on this one. I just got to get back in routine. This might not be the best video I've made in a while. We're running down through here. Bounce off that key price action level. This is only around 6 o'clock. Run down here. Have some more sell off. 9:30 comes. Not really a spike or anything after 9:30. Really doesn't do anything. We don't really get another move until about 9:43, 9:45 is when we get another sell off down here. Right here, definitely would have taken. This would have been a nice short to get in on too. Chart marker, short down. This definitely would be a nice short to get into. Mostly because you had the fail break of the 3,000 level. We had a fail retest of the high of yesterday. That failed through. We come down here. We're also not extended too far low. We're kind of at a good level. The trends was running around this area right here. So we had some room to move back down. And it's bouncing off the moving average right here. And it's a failed second entry long. So you come down here, you get a failed second entry to get a push back up. That fails. So you have another candle coming through here off the 21 moving average after this fail, after the fail break of 3,000. This wouldn't be a bad short. Take some few ticks, come down here. My price target's usually only 4 to 10 ticks, depending on how many contracts I'm running in the trade. So you come down here. Not many trades to this level. You got to bounce at another key entry level right there, just to kind of confirm more of a trend, and you get a push back up to the top, which right here, right off the bat, kind of puts a trend into place too. You get a bunch of pushes back up to the top, but you also get a bunch of fails up here. Look at all these tops at this level. I guess this right here is a trap to get in. Definitely wait for. See, I don't like picking tops a lot, but I also notice that whenever a stock is running at a top, a lot of times it likes to make a run for the top, and then it fails to go down, and then I usually watch the fail, like right here, usually watch this failed breakout, this failed retest. I usually wait for this to play out, because a lot of times it likes to trap people in, because it's key entry levels, and then you get another runner back up here. Now, this candle isn't big enough for me to take a short on. Plus, it's right off the top. At this point, we don't know if we're going to get another retest of the $3,000 level. So I wouldn't take this short right here. But when you get this other, you get another double top right here, and you get this huge trend candle coming in right off the key entry level for like the 5th time it tried hitting that level. With this candle, this right here would also be another short I would consider taking. Mostly because, you have more selling momentum at this point. Kind of confirms what the trend you're running at, the direction of the market. Plus, you got a few fails, retest right there. So, and you got some room. You're still above the moving average. You're at this level. The only room that you're working with is right here at 29.94. So I mean, you're not shorting on a bottom. You're not shorting exactly all the way up top, but pretty close enough, especially in this trend. Because I don't like taking shorts like down here. I don't like taking that many shorts if we're running down this level. Like right here, I would never take a short down here, or I never take a short down here. Always like taking shorts at least up towards above the middle, at the middle, or up top. Because you want to have room on your trades. You want to look at your risk that you're running into, because you want to have a good spread. You don't want to take a short at a bottom right here when you just had this huge run down and you have this huge gap, because prices like to fill in the gaps, prices like to make averages. So you don't want to take shorts at the bottom. You want to take shorts at the top, buy at the bottom, just for risk management, for your stop loss purposes. Because if you take a short right here, you get in, you set your stop loss around right here, the chances of that getting hit is a lot less than, say, you take a short down here and you have a stop loss right here. You're more likely to get your stop filled and get stopped out when you're taking shorts more at the bottom than when you're taking shorts at the top at these key entry levels. So this would be a nice short. Get in right here, get a maybe 2 point, 1 point probably around 5, 6 tick stop loss, just above this level, and take your price target. Get your 4, 10 ticks, whatever your target is. But I mean, you get this trade right here, you're pretty much on for the day. I mean, what is that? It's like a $20 move, right in literally 1 minute. So trades like these, you really can't get anything better than that. You make this one trade, you hit your target for the day, plus some depending on if you let it run or not. If you're like me, I hit my target, I'm done for the day. I don't try looking for more. If I hit my target, I am satisfied. That's all I look for is making my trade for the day. I know a lot of people like making 3, 4 trades a day, see what they can get. But I feel more comfortable with just hitting my target and being done for the day. Focus on consistency, building up your positions. That's what I like focusing on. So, right here, I would have got my 10. I have a 4 tick target and then a 10 tick target. So, 2 points or 1 point is what I'm looking to make on each scalp. So, right here, that would have been a 2-point scalp, and that would have been plenty enough for me. Been okay, been happy, would have been done trading for the day. And it's 11:30. Would have been at the end of the day. Would have been a perfect time to get in. Now, not really many trades running in through here, as you can tell. I mean, yeah, you got another run up here. I like taking shorts for some reason a lot more than longs. I don't know why. I used to be the complete opposite. I used to never take a short, never. And here lately, most of my profitable trades have been from shorting. So I mean, that's what I've been looking for mostly, are shorts here lately. I mean, I'll take a long position if it's a really good one. I'll definitely take a long position. If I get a bottom, a triple bottom or a double bottom, you know, with some, you're on an uptrend, you're already trending for the day. Yeah, I'll take a long, especially off a moving average, off a key entry level. If everything's right, I'll take a long. But here lately, I've been taking more shorts. I mean, just the market we've been in, it seems like shorting has been the way to go. You get one day of a runner, you get next day of shorting. But I like taking shorts. And you get to come on down here. I know it's past 11:30. I said I wouldn't do that, but I'm already talking, so might as well finish through. Then you get another runner up here. Get a trap right here. A lot of people would have seen this. It's off the moving average. It's in the middle. Taking this short. The reason that would have had me skeptical with this short was this right here, the support level. I don't know how long you get this short right here at the support level. You get a fill break of that. Man, I guess you could say you could have taken that trade, but I wouldn't have taken that trade. I also wanted to bought in at the bottom because, you don't know when the bottom is at the market right here. I don't try picking bottoms, especially on a huge sell-off like 20-something dollars. I'm not going to try to pick the bottom on that with all that selling momentum. I'm going to wait, let it play out, see how it does. But you can tell we're running through this trend at this point, so, you got a trend confirmation up here. Uh, you got this another runner back up to this trend line. Now this short right here, I mean, you do have a nice red 2 candles at this point. This wouldn't be a bad one. I definitely wouldn't have been taking the short all the way up here on this top, because you got some buying momentum. You got some nice bullish candles coming in. It does fail to break to make a new high, and you're at the key entry level of the trend that had just created. So I guess you could take in this short. I would have probably waited to take in this short to like maybe right here if I did take it. Not saying I'm going to take it, it's past my time. But, if you're an aggressive trader, wouldn't be a bad idea to get in on that. But make a few ticks, run down through here. They retest the bottom. I think I'm getting cold. I feel like crap. It sucks. But you gotta retest to the bottom down here. You push up to the top, and you're running down the moving average at the bottom through here. So, wouldn't really. What's up? It's really not sure about taking many trades at this point. 21 moving average is holding pretty well. Oh, it's good. Hold up. Okay, we're back. Yeah, we're 21 moving average is holding pretty well. Down through here, especially we kind of put it into a trend at this point. We're holding a downtrend through this level. Uh, So, taking shorts off the moving average would definitely be a good option in this position. The moving average is just confirming everything, confirming the trend of the market at this point. When you're running up through levels like this, you're running in between the moving averages, so I try to take trends off the channels. But if the moving average is holding strong like this in this market, you definitely could take some scalps up on the tops of this, especially when it's continuing, taking shorts. I mean, you are running at the bottom, but the moving average is holding pretty strong, so you definitely could get some shorts in on there. But anyways, yeah, I'd been done trading at this point, so I'm not going to go ahead and make any trade assumptions after this point. I mean, definitely you could still make some more trades afternoon through here, but I'm not doing it right here. Honestly, I'm gonna mark this one. This ain't a bad one. You got a sell off down here. You got another reput. You got another retest of that. You got another moving average confirmation. This point, you got a triple bottom. You got a triple top. This point, so again, you got a sell off at the 21. So this wouldn't be a bad short. I definitely would take that. I would take this one right here. Get a few ticks in right there, just mostly because like we did up here, when you get this constant retest and constant fail after fail after fail, it's kind of showing you the market's momentum and who's running the market. If it's failing to go higher and it just keeps pulling down every time it tries to go higher, then obviously the sellers are running the market. So if the sellers are running the market, then I'm gonna look more for the failed runs up, and when you get a bunch of tops like this, I'm gonna take a short, and it's off the 21 moving average. So, and you got another pullback right here. You got that right there, and you still have room in the trend to move down into after this trend confirmation. So this would probably be my last trade that I would have taken for the day. Yeah, that's about it for the video. Have a good day.